श्री गुरु चरण सरोज रज, निज मन मुकुर सुधारे।
Om Sai Ram. I'm here in heaven and I had to share this with you. The feeling of bliss, the feeling of joy that I have not experienced in such abundance ever before. I have always known there is a beautiful connect between Baba and Hanuman. Somebody says they're brothers. Somebody says Baba loves Hanuman. Some other people tell me Hanuman loves Baba. But for me, I see them in a beautiful, sublime oneness. There is a magic to their love. When I love Baba, I get attracted to Hanuman. When I chant Hanuman Chalisa, I get attracted to Baba. There is something very ethereal, something very otherworldly about it, which I probably cannot put into words. That could be a reason we have a beautiful mandir of Hanuman right next to Baba Samadhi Mandir. Because of that love, that bonding, Baba is said to have stood there in front of the Hanuman Mandir during his days in Shirdi and in sign language spoken to Hanuman and said he's my brother. And today I think it is destiny or my karma or blessing that Lakshmi, Meena Amma and we are standing here in Ramboda. This is our second visit to this place. Ramboda is the place where Hanumanji first landed when he came in search of Ma Sita. He had set foot first time in this soil. And trust me, the soil smells of him, the air feels of him. It is just blissful here, just blissful. We have a beautiful mandir here where we have a huge idol of Hanumanji. I think it's 18 feet big if I'm right. He stands there, hands folded, beautiful smile, welcoming us, giving out his love, his blessings in abundance. And what is even more enchanting here is the beauty of the place. We're in a valley surrounded by mountains everywhere. I just had to show you a glimpse of this place, so the video. And in this valley, very close by is the place where Sita Ma was kept in lock by Ravana, which is about an hour's drive from here. But this place here, I just come here and you don't have to put any effort to meditate. You don't have to put any effort to close your eyes and sit in peace. There is peace. There is oneness with the cosmos. There is this joy descending upon us which I really cannot explain. So let me first show you the mandir from here. One look at the mandir. It is right above where we are standing. That is exactly where Hanumanji is right now resting. Aarti has been done. And after Aarti, doors shut, he's relaxing inside, waiting to get ready again for the evening Aarti. And there are beautiful trees up there behind the mandir. And on my other side is something which I have to explain to you first. There are several mountains connected to each other and they have taken the form of Hanuman. He rests there as if lying down straight, looking up at the sky to his Rama in meditation, his hands folded somewhere on below his stomach, and just in deep meditation he's lying connected by those mountains. Below that are beautiful two water bodies, two rivers, and the bliss of seeing Hanumanji. I have not sat in the mandir and meditated as much as I have sat here looking at him and meditated. Just one look, he's there. You have to see him to believe what I'm saying. Just take a look. You have to work a little hard to make that out. There is the head, then the body, and then the feet. He's resting there straight. To give you a better look, I will just take on camera Hanumanji so that you don't have anything else that disturbs your vision. Now we have right at the beginning on the left side is where his head rests. Then his chest rises above. Then the hands folded and then the legs. And somewhere where the feet are starts the water body to the right. And there's a beautiful lake on the left as well. I want you to experience the bliss, feel his presence, offer your pranams, your prayers. He sits here in complete acceptance. Divinity at its best, very best. So that was Hanumanji. The camera is very tiny. We are seeing this huge mountain here. If you ever get an opportunity, just come here. 5 hours from Colombo, in the hills, rests Hanuman, inviting us, blessing us. And just as we read the Satcharita and get so much of benefits, so much of blessings of Baba, so also if you seek Baba and chant the Hanuman Chalisa, the result will be magical. The connect that you get with Baba also will be magical. I have experienced merging in him just through the Chalisa. So chant as much as you can, love him as much as you can.